Hello, quiz lovers. Welcome back to QuizPulse, the home of exciting quizzes. A few days ago, I uploaded a video on the topic, Guess the Logo by Sound. You loved that video so much, so I'm back with part 2. Can you guess this all logo by their sound? Let's see. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel for the more quiz videos. Let's go! Can you get this first logo? Which logo has the sound of speed and power? Yes, that is Ferrari. Here comes another one. Which logo plays that funny space tune? You guessed it, it is Among Us. Let us keep going. Which logo fizzes with a refreshing pop sound? Yes, that is Sprite. Ready for the next? Which logo feels sweet and colorful like candy? Correct. That is Chupa Chups. Moving along now. Which logo sounds cheerful and helps you learn languages? You got it. It is Duolingo. Next in line. Which logo crunches with a fun and crispy tone? Yes, that is Pringles. Let us hear the next one. Which logo has that friendly calling tune? You are right. It is Skype. Time for another. Which logo plays that smooth and minimal chime? Exactly, that is Apple. Keep listening. Which logo opens with a calm and classic computer tone? Yes, that is Microsoft Windows. Here we go again. Which logo sounds like candy dropping into a jar of fun? You got it. That is Candy Crush. Next round. Which logo rings with the flavor of cheesy delight? Correct. That is Pizza Hut. Let us test another one. Which logo has that modern digital chat tone? Yes, that is Discord. Here comes the next sound. Which logo pops and crackles with a crunchy vibe? You guessed it, that is Lay's. Another one for you. Which logo jumps with playful energy and nostalgia? Exactly. That is Super Mario. Almost done now. Which logo shines with a warm and creative glow? You got it. That is Pixar. Last one for this set. Which logo roars with cinematic hero power? Yes, that is Marvel Studios. Thank you for watching till the end. If you haven't seen part 1 of this video, go and watch it. There's also a challenge for you. Share this video with your friends and see who is the more intelligent of the two of you. And don't forget to comment and share your score. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.